The universe isn't calm, it's full of violent, mysterious events. Black holes tearing stars apart. Pulsars spinning hundreds of times per second. Gamma ray bursts lighting up galaxies. Understanding these phenomena takes power beyond human limits. And that's where artificial intelligence steps in. AI helps scientists study black holes by analyzing data from telescopes like Event Horizon and Chandra. Using deep learning, AI detects patterns in light curves and X-ray emissions, revealing how matter behaves when it's close to a black hole. In fact, AI helped process data that produced the first ever image of a black hole. Quasars are among the brightest and most powerful objects in the universe, powered by supermassive black holes. AI models are now used to detect quasars hidden in massive sky datasets, identifying their unique brightness and energy patterns. This helps astronomers map galaxies billions of light-years away. Pulsars are rapidly spinning neutron stars that send out beams of radio waves. AI algorithms analyze radio telescope data to detect new pulsars automatically, even in noisy, chaotic data where humans might never notice them. In 2023, AI discovered dozens of new pulsars hidden deep in archived data. Gamma ray bursts are the most energetic explosions in the universe. They happen when massive stars collapse or neutron stars collide. AI models analyze satellite data from observatories like Fermi and Swift, identifying these bursts within milliseconds, helping scientists alert telescopes to capture the event live. By studying millions of events, AI begins to predict how these cosmic phenomena behave, even forecasting when and where the next gamma ray burst might occur. It's like teaching machines to recognize the rhythm of the cosmos. From black holes to gamma rays, artificial intelligence is becoming our cosmic microscope, revealing the power, chaos, and beauty of the universe. In the next lecture, we'll explore how AI is helping humans prepare for future interstellar exploration and space colonization. AI analyzes telescope data for black holes and quasars, detects pulsars and neutron stars automatically, identifies gamma ray bursts in real time, predicts cosmic events using pattern recognition, expands our understanding of extreme cosmic physics.